Hello, I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of sine 3x divided by cosine x dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the substitution rule. So if you define cosine x as u, therefore minus sine x dx will be equal to du. If you take the derivative from each side of this equation, you'll obtain this expression. Okay, so now let's rewrite this integral as integral of, instead of sine 3x, I write sine 2 x times sine x dx divided by cosine x. Okay, and instead of sine 2x from trigonometry, we can write 1 minus cosine 2x times sine x dx divided by cosine x. Okay, so now you need to substitute these two expressions into this integral. Okay, so therefore this integral you can rewrite it as, instead of 1 minus cosine 2x, I can simply write 1 minus u2, because cosine x is u, therefore cosine 2x is u2. And instead of sine x dx, here I have sine x dx, right? I can write minus du, because minus sine x dx was du, therefore sine x dx will be equal to minus du, divided by, instead of cosine x, I write u. Okay, so now you can expand this integral into, you take minus out of the integral of 1 divided by u times du, that is du over u, minus times minus will be plus integral of u2 divided by u is u du. Okay, so this integral now will be equal to integral of du over u is equal to minus ln u. Integral of du over u is ln u, plus integral of u du will be equal to u2 divided by 2 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, so all you need to do here is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which was equal to u was equal to cosine x. Okay, so therefore I can rewrite it as minus ln cosine x plus cosine 2x divided by 2 plus c, which is the constant of the integral. And that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.